Hey, Eco Warriors! Welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to make your life more sustainable and eco-friendly. Ready to make your next trip kinder to our planet? Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, we've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing 10 zero-waste travel hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. These tips are easy to implement and can make a huge difference. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Pack a reusable water bottle. This is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to reduce waste while traveling. Single-use plastic bottles are a big no-no. They contribute significantly to pollution and take hundreds of years to decompose. Fill up at water stations and you'll stay hydrated without hurting the earth. Many airports and public places now have water refill stations, making it easier than ever. Number 2, bring your own cutlery. This small step can have a big impact. Toss a bamboo fork, knife, and spoon into your bag. They're lightweight, durable, and perfect for on-the-go meals. You'll avoid those pesky plastic utensils and enjoy your meals more sustainably. Plus, bamboo cutlery is easy to clean and reuse. 3, solid toiletries are your new best friend. They're compact, spill-proof, and TSA-friendly. Think shampoo bars, conditioner bars, and even toothpaste tablets. These products are not only eco-friendly, but also save space in your luggage. No leaks, no mess, and zero plastic waste. Plus, they last longer than their liquid counterparts. Number 4, pack a reusable shopping bag. This is a must-have for any eco-conscious traveler. They're lightweight, foldable, and perfect for spontaneous market visits. You never know when you might need an extra bag. Plus, you can skip the plastic bag guilt. Many countries are now banning single-use plastic bags, so having your own is a smart move. 5, say hello to eco-friendly sunscreen. Protecting your skin shouldn't come at the expense of the environment. Conventional sunscreens can be harmful to marine life. Chemicals like oxybenzone and octinoxate are particularly damaging to coral reefs. Opt for reef-safe products to protect both your skin and the ocean. Look for sunscreens labeled as reef-safe or ocean-friendly. Number 6, ditch the single-use coffee cups. If you're a coffee lover, this tip is for you. Bring a collapsible coffee cup for your caffeine fix. These cups are convenient, easy to carry, and reduce waste. Most cafes are happy to fill them up, and some even offer discounts. It's a win-win for you and the planet. 7, use a travel-sized reusable bag for your laundry. This keeps your dirty clothes separate and organized. It keeps your dirty clothes separate and cuts down on single-use plastic bags from hotels. Plus, it makes unpacking easier when you get home. 8, pack snacks in reusable containers. This is a great way to avoid plastic waste and keep your snacks fresh. Say goodbye to plastic wrappers and hello to stainless steel or silicone. These containers are durable, reusable, and eco-friendly. Your snacks stay fresh, and so does the planet. Plus, you can pack healthier options and avoid overpriced airport snacks. Number 9, opt for digital tickets and maps. Avoid printing unnecessary papers. This is not only eco-friendly, but also more convenient. Most destinations accept e-tickets, and maps are easily accessible on your phone. You'll save paper and reduce clutter. Finally, 10, choose eco-friendly accommodations. Your choice of lodging can have a big impact on your carbon footprint. Look for hotels or hostels that prioritize sustainability. Many offer recycling programs, use renewable energy, and support local communities. Some even have initiatives to reduce water and energy consumption. So there you have it, my top 10 zero-waste travel hacks. These tips are easy to follow and can make a big difference. Traveling green doesn't have to be complicated. With a few simple swaps, you can make a big impact. Every small action adds up to a larger positive change. Remember, every little bit helps. Your efforts can inspire others to make eco-friendly choices too. Let's explore the world without leaving a trace. Thanks for watching. Together, we can make a difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more eco-friendly tips. Safe travels!